Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Tri Arifa Putri Kasbar. My name 2104075120339. I'm from class bilingual class 213. In this video, I will do a short review of a speech video. And the speech video that I will review is related to President Joko Widodo's video about World Anti-Corruption Day. 3 advantage and disadvantage. Advantage number 1, use of technology. President Jokowi used technology as a guardrail to prevent corruption, which is an important step to overcome corruption. Number 2, development of teaching materials. President Jokowi developed teaching materials that describe a systematic approach to instructional development, which help describe a systematic approach to instructional development. Number 3, development of the prevention system. President Jokowi is improving the prevention system, including improving the quality of human research for law enforcement affairs, goods service procurement system, listening system, internal monitoring system. Weakness number 1, development of teaching materials. President Jokowi only has limited teaching materials, which might affect the overall speech. Number 2, limited information. President Jokowi only has limited information about anti-corruption, which might affect the overall speech. Number 3, time limitation. President Jokowi only has limited time to make a speech, which might affect the overall speech. 3 things that could be improved from the speaker. Number 1, developing an anti-corruption culture. President Jokowi talked the developing an anti-corruption culture and fostering a sense of shame in enjoying the result of corruption is an important upstream factor is preventing criminal acts of corruption. Number 2, anti-corruption education. President Jokowi talked the anti-corruption education must be expanded to produce a future generation that is anti-corruption. Number 3, build a system that closes opportunities for criminal acts of corruption. President Jokowi talked the building a system that closes opportunities for criminal acts of corruption is the main key. 3 things I like about the speaker. Number 1, want the anti-corruption movement to become a national movement carried out by state institutions, civil society, and the wider community. Number 2, improve the quality of human research from law enforcement affairs, goods and service procurement system, listening system, internal monitoring system, and so on. Number 3, enters the last technology to prevent criminal acts of corruption. If I deliver the video, I will identify unique aspect, check President Joko Widodo's videos to find unique and different aspects. Combined with my experience, if I have experience with corruption or the treatment of corruption, I can deliver a speech by combining my experience with unique aspect of President Joko Widodo's video. For example, I can combine my experience in dealing with corruption with the strategies mentioned by President Joko Widodo. Consider the purpose of the speech. Consider my purpose in delivering the speech. Incorporating local context. If I deliver a speech in Indonesia, I can combine the unique aspect of President Joko Widodo's video with the local context. Incorporating with a global context. If I deliver a speech in a global context, I can combine the unique aspect of President Joko Widodo's video with the global context. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.